It's recently come to light just how financially unprepared most Americans are to weather an unexpected health crisis. But employers have influence over the financial and physical well-being of their employees and can help their employees be better prepared for future healthcare needs through 3 steps. Step 1 is to raise awareness among employees about the prevalence and financial impact of critical illnesses. When you raise awareness about facts such as these, employees can begin to be better prepared, physically and financially. Step 2 is to educate employees on their benefits and how to use them. After all, it isn't a benefit if your employees don't truly understand it. Step 3 is to help employees fill gaps left by core benefits with supplemental insurance. Supplemental insurance pays cash benefits directly to employees, not to doctors or hospitals. This means employees can use the money in any way, whether it's covering medical bills or household bills. Read our article to learn more about how to help employees prepare for future healthcare needs.